At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what quadcopter I'm flying and how you can build this exact quadcopter even if you are a total beginner. But first, let's see how it flies.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah, I'm so happy that I found you. And you know that I'm yours, alright. You can tell by the look in my eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I gave it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. You can show me how to move, 'cause I don't wanna be sitting alone. I don't care what road you choose. Don't wanna go back to who I was before. And I know that you might know right. I can tell by the look in your eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I give it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, we got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love.
That was a pretty good hit. Oh, shit. Well, there you go. I guess nothing, oh wow. I guess nothing's indestructible. But if you want anything to break on a quad, it's an arm. And I've been beating the hell out of this thing, and that was a pretty good freaking hit. Well, you decide for yourself. I've got links down in the video description. This is the JB Xilo Beginner Build. I partnered with Lumineer to put together a collection of parts that are a good balance of durability, performance, and affordability. Because let's face it, in 2022, everything is way too freaking expensive. In addition, I did a series of tutorial videos taking you through every single step of the build. Even if you're a complete beginner, I'll walk you through it, I'll hold your hand, and we'll get you to the end. And that's so important because, as you could see from the crashes I took today, if you fly a freestyle quad, you are going to crash it and eventually you're going to break it. And the best way to know how to fix it is if you built it in the first place. So if you want to buy a bind and fly to get started, you can actually buy this exact quadcopter as a bind and fly. Yeah, GetFPV will build it for you. Hey, that'll get you in the air quickly, and then you can start building your own so that when you break it, you know how to fix it. Links are down in the video description below. Happy flying.